Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my hydrating skincare routine. You can see that this is a skincare routine that I follow to get this nice natural glow on my face. If you want to know what are the different products that I'm using, so stick till the very end of this video. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle, and also subscribe to my channel if you like skincare related videos. So let's begin with the video. The first product that I'm going to be using is the Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water Face and Body Mist. It's steam distilled rose water and I absolutely love this. I just spray it on my face and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes because my skin absorbs all the rose water and it tries to become a little bit hydrated. It balances out that hydration on my face. So I'm gonna let this product naturally soak into my skin and then I'm gonna proceed with the application of serums. Now that my skin is a little bit damp, I'm gonna proceed with the next serum, that is the Mixun Glacier Water Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It has blend of 3 different types of hyaluronic acid and it's an excellent water magnet. I love it. I adore this product. I use it all over my body. That's why I have this big pack of 300 ml. I use it on my forehead, my cheek area, as well as my nose area. After applying this, you're gonna see a big difference. It nicely absorbs the water from the surrounding and gives a nice dewy effect. This serum is a bit liquidy in consistency, so it glides well on the skin. Make sure that you massage it very well into different parts of your face. Don't forget your eyelids, don't forget your lips. Nicely massage it and let all the sections of your face get the proper hydration. You see the difference before the hyaluronic acid serum and after the hyaluronic acid serum. And the dry patches that were present on my skin are just gone. There is no dry patch and it looks nice, dewy effect, and it gives a hydrated finish. Alright, so the next product is from Q&A. This is the Peptide Facial Serum. It is loaded with the tripeptide and I just adore this formulation. It also has different humectants, so it kind of hydrates my skin. I love to combine it with my tretinoin and I just adore this product. I just dropped this product all over my face and then gently massaged it into my skin. Take your own time to massage it into the skin so that the skin absorbs all the goodness, especially the peptides that can help to build that natural skin barrier. As it has different humectants, it will lead to more hydrated finish and your skin will look much more healthier. This is how my skin feels right now. It feels like it's hydrated. There is no more dry patches. I love this. I love this finish. It's dewy effect. This nice, natural, hydrated skin feels like magic. Look at this shine. This is the natural shine I want to achieve. Now for the moisturizer, I'm gonna go for double moisturization. So the first moisturizer that I'm going to be using is the propylene glycol cream. Love this. I have made a whole review about this, mentioned it in the description below. You guys need to check this cream out. Its formula is so lightweight, super nice, and it just glides so well on the face. You see? The formula is just dropping on my skin. I mean, I have enjoyed using it. This particular cream is not good for oily skin type, but it's really good for dry skin types, like dry skin type people who's suffering like me, always getting dry skin. You need this moisturizer. Because of its lightweight consistency, it just glides so well on the skin and moisturizes the skin excellently. So there are different ingredients. The component contain propylene glycol as the main ingredients. It's 15 mg in this formulation. And then there is urea, which is 1.5 mg. Urea acts also as a moisturizer and it's really good for any type of dry skin. It is also prescribed for the people who are suffering from the cancer treatment, and even they can apply it on the wound healing process. So it's like really good. And for dry skin type, this propylene glycol cream is magical. Look at my skin now after the serum, after the moisturization. It just feels like so well put together. My skin feels so healthy. The product that I like is Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. It's for very dry to dry combination skin type. Its consistency is also very lightweight and it also glides really well. I just dot only 2 dots on my face. I don't need a lot of the product as I've already moisturized. I have different serums on my skin. Now that I have moisturized my whole face, I'm gonna move for my lips, and I'm gonna be using Gosh Soft and Tinted Lip Balm. It's with SPF 15. I am currently enjoying Gosh products, and this lip balm is just magical. It suits so well with my skin tone, so I like to use it on daily basis. And I also love the applicator that they have provided. So all of that is pretty much it. You see, this is my natural face. I just enhanced my glowy effect by adding some important ingredients, minimalistic product, and this is how I achieve my simple hydrated look. I am not wearing any makeup. Trust me when I say it, it's all natural. You just need right skincare ingredient to achieve this look. Just glowy and so healthy skin. That's what I want on my face. That is what I always aim for. My skin should look naturally healthy. I'm not a big fan of makeup. Like in a week, I wear makeup like one day or just maybe sometimes 2 days. But I like to keep my skin more hydrated and just let my skin breathe. So this is the complete skincare routine, guys. If you want to know the details of the product, everything is mentioned in the description below. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.